Here's how to make anything in Unity follow the player. Whether it's an enemy, pet, camera or whatever, it's super simple and I'll break down exactly how it works. In my scene I've got a simple 2D player object, something I want to follow. In this case, where I called follow. You can use Python. Let's create a new C# script on the follower object and I'll call it follower. Alright, let me walk you through this script so you know exactly what's going on even if you've never coded before. The line using Unity Engine gives us access to Unity's tools like moving objects, getting positions and more, and run its code. The line public transform player creates a slot in the inspector where we can drag our player in. The transform holds the player's position in the game world. The line public float speed equals, I did a bit of a typo here, this sets how fast this object moves towards the player. You can adjust this later to make it chase faster or slower. The function void update runs every single frame, around 60 times per second or more, so this is where we put anything that should happen constantly. Inside update, transform.position equals vector3.move towards is a line that actually makes the follower move. It basically says, here's my current position, here's where I want to go, move a little closer every frame based on my speed. The line time.delta_time makes sure movement is smooth and consistent. No matter how fast or slow your computer is, it makes your speed frame rate independent. Now back in Unity, just drag the player game object into the player slot in the scripts inspector. Hit play and that's it, the object will start following the player smoothly in real time. I hope this helped you. If it did, drop a like and subscribe. I've got more quick Unity tutorials coming soon. Let me know in the comments what I should cover next.